Okay, so we're back. All right, so I realize the steps here are not going to be very exciting because they're the same steps that we use for solving equations. So simplify each side. Right-hand side by multiplying. Second, subtract to move the $2,500 over. And then we're going to divide. Hit I alone. And then for the extra step, multiply by 100 to convert to percent. All right, so we're going to do these ones. 700. All right, so it's going to give us 15,000 I. Oh, I put the calculator away. Now I need to go 5,700. Oops, let me show you what I'm going to do next. Move this over. Minus 2,500, which is going to be 1,200, is equal to 15,000 I divided by 15. 1, 2, 3,000. 0.08. And remember, times 100. That looks silly. It's 8% is equal to I. Give this one question at the bottom. Kind of squished it on me there, sorry. All right, Bill invested $5,000 at the end of 10 years. He had $7,500 in the account. What was his interest rate? Okay, so we've got money at the start. And we're looking for an interest rate. Well, let's do it the way we were before. A is equal to P, whoopsies, P, I, N. Well, N is easy. That's 10 years. The I is pretty easy because it says what was the interest rate. So that's the one we don't know. And there's a little hint down here at the bottom. And a real super easy way to tell the difference is whichever is the bigger of the two. If you have two amounts of money, the bigger one is going to be the amount at the end, right? That makes sense. It says at the end of 10 years, you have that. And there we go. Now we can plug our numbers in. Just like we did before. 5,000 times 10, that's going to be 50,000. 7,500 minus 5,000, that should be 2,500. And if you do one side, you got to do the other. So now I'm going to divide that by 50,000. All right, I did get way too squishy. 0.05 is equal to I. times 100, 5% is equal to 5. All right, little finance vocabulary I threw. It's just taking up every little bit of paper I could. Okay, if you ever see PA or per annum, that's just fancy Latin for per year. And future value is just, I guess, if you do an investment or something that you know what it's worth at the end. Oopsies. And I'm, by the way, giving you like super simple definitions for these if you want to Google them and get a better idea because you're going to BA next year. That is a great